The next category of awards for Excellence in Training and Skill Development 2022 Large. And to do the honors for this set, I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Rohit Gupta to please join us. Can we clap and welcome him, everybody? We'd also like to welcome Professor R. Jairam to please join us on stage in doing the honors. Excellence in Training and Skill Development 2022 Large. Let's have a look at the screen for the nominations, please. Well, here are the nominations on screen for you. Let's have a look at the runner-up on screen for you, everybody. Well, the runner-up goes to Bharat Electronics Limited, Nalanda. Bell Bell Academy for Excel. Everybody. Congratulations to you. I'll request you to come in the center. Amazing. A little more in the center. Thank you. Let's have a look at the second runner-up on screen for you, everybody. And the award goes to Mahindra Excello Mahindra Intertrade Limited. The winner here. Let's have a look who is winning this. And the winner is Crane Oil and Gas Vedanta Limited. Let's clap and welcome them, everybody. Come on. Let's have a look at the nominations on screen for Excellence in Training and Skill Development 2022 SME. Wow, here are the nominations on screen for you. Let's see who is the runner-up here, everybody. Well, it goes to Sun Mobility Bengaluru. Everyone. Thank you. Well, we have two winners here. I'd like to invite the first winner. It goes to, let's have a look at the screen. Well, let's clap and welcome Cavendish Industries Limited, a unit of JK Tyre. Can we clap for them, everyone? Come on. Well, I think we got that photo. Thank you. Congratulations once again. Let's welcome our winner, our second winner once again on stage. Come on. Who is it? Let's see. And the award goes to... Let's welcome Sigma Electric Manufacturing Corporation Private Limited. Everybody. Let's be in the center for a beautiful photograph together. Congratulations.